guys, it's Lexy. Welcome back to another vlog. It's a Sunday evening. It's 8:52 and I just got out of the shower. Basa yung hair ko, so yan, bagong ligo. But I decided to vlog last minute because I've always been wanting to dedicate like a whole afternoon or whole day just doing self-care stuff and, you know, pampering myself. But I got busy kanina, so I decided to just vlog it tonight since later naman ako natutulog. So instead of just watching Netflix or YouTube, mag-vlog na lang ako so that I could also chika with you guys and do things that I actually been wanting to do. I bought this eyelash lifting parang kit from Shopee. Nakita ko to sa TikTok, then I was like, oh my gosh, I wanna try kasi I also read the reviews, tapos madaming nagsasabi okay daw siya and nag-last talaga yung lashes nila, like naka-lift talaga for quite some time. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. Since I just got out of the shower, di pa ako nagsi-skincare, so that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Tonight, I'm just gonna be putting moisturizer. Kasi lately, parang nagkaka-rashes yung face ko. I'm still trying to figure out kung anong product yung ginamit ko na it gave me rashes. Since, I don't know, I kind of stopped using all my skincare products except for facial wash. Tapos okay naman yung face ko, di siya nagka-rashes. Then I tried to use my moisturizer and di rin siya nagka-rashes. So far, di ako nagsi-serum or toner like the past week siguro. Like, my skin kasi super sensitive, so the less products na gamitin ko, the better talaga. And hindi naman ako masyadong acne prone. Oh, and also pala, I have some packages that are here on my floor. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages that arrived. So let's do an unboxing. I'll start off with this package because ito dumating siya more than 2 weeks ago if I'm not mistaken. I'm so sorry kung sino man nagpadala neto. I was just super busy talaga with ACADS. So these are swimsuits from Cupshe. I'm so excited! Wow! Ang ganda ng packaging, guys. Tingnan nyo. As in, isa-isa talaga siya nakapack. It's super important to sanitize the items that you guys receive outside your house. This one is a super cute yellow bikini top. It's so nice! Tapos may parang pa-ribbon siya here. Then ito yung back niya. Medyo backless. And then it comes with a bikini bottom. It's yellow also. It just has white stripes. It's so nice, you guys. And ang ganda ng tela niya. It's like so high quality. If you guys are wondering, I got it in the size small. Second bikini is this blue one. It's a one piece. Looks like that. So cute! Again, the quality is so nice. Stretchable siya. And it's kind of like a tie-dye or like ombre effect kind of thing. It's so nice. Third bikini is a green one. And ang ganda ng pagka-green niya. It's my first time to have a swimsuit in this color. So medyo mas like mature yung color niya. But it looks like this. It's just a triangle like bikini top. And then ito yung detail niya sa likod. Wait. Then yung bottom niya is high-waisted. And again, stretchable siya. Ito yung material niya, guys. So, kakaiba. Then it has a super cool print. Last bikini is this white and black one. And yung bottoms niya, hindi siya high-waisted. But it looks super nice. You could actually pair this with a different bikini. So, very, ano lang kasi siya, neutral. So, you can match it with a different top. And then, ito yung tela niya, guys. Oh, kakaiba rin. And then, this is how the top looks like. It's another triangle bikini. Then, there's just this parang whole detail here sa gitna. Sayang, hindi ko siya magagamit anytime soon. But definitely, once coronavirus or quarantine ends, magagamit ko na rin to pag nag-beach or pag nag-swimming. So, again, thank you so much, Cupshe! Next naman, I got a package from Unica. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but ito siya. What is this? Ooh! Ang ganda ng color niya, guys. Purple. Oh, this is so cute. It's a top. Tapos parang may pa-ribbon effect siya here. I'll try to wear it on my Instagram stories. Tapos post ko na para makita nyo na suot ko siya. And then, they also sent me this. What is this? Ooh, this is so cute. It's a dress, you guys. Ang ganda ng color niya. Can we talk about the color? It's so nice. Tapos parang may pa-leaves na pattern. And it's just an off-shoulder. Wait, let me try to show it to you guys. Kind of looks like that. This is the third and last thing they sent. And I'm not quite sure what it is, but it says Unica over here, or Unica, however you pronounce it. Oh, these are face masks. So they sent me this parang grayish, greenish, bluish one. Then they also sent me this purple one. And then last but not least, they gave me a pink one and purple details there. And again, it has a pocket for your filter. And then ito lang yung tali niya. Thank you so much. I'm definitely gonna be wearing these really soon. So go follow me on Instagram if you haven't, at Lexy Rodriguez with 2 Z's, because I'm definitely gonna be taking pictures with these. So yeah, thanks again. Third is from Yani Best, and Bella even sent me a note. So thank you so much, Bella from Yani Best. Yan yung box nila. Basically, it's a really nice silk pillowcase. So siya guys, oh. Look at that quality. It looks so luxurious and high quality. Ang ganda niya. So I can't wait to use this one. And it also came with a small pouch. Siguro if you're gonna give it as a gift, okay rin siya. And maganda yung box niya. It's very presentable. So thank you so much, Yani Best. Okay, ang kalat na ng table ko, but we're down to last 2 packages. And this one is from Lazada. And I think I know what this is because I ordered this one. And I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one is Ate Tony Sia's Body Love. And I can't wait. As in, sayang, pagka-check ko ng Lazada, dalawa na lang yung colors na natitira. So I got this set. It's just this sports bra set. Ang ganda niya guys. You could wear it as is, as a top for working out. It's very flexible kung saan mo siya gusto gamitin. This is the shorts that it came with since it's a set. And I heard that it's super high-waisted. I'll leave the link na lang down below in case you guys haven't purchased it yet. I highly recommend. Ang ganda niya guys. Look at the color. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, Ate Tony, if you're watching this, I'm so proud. I love it. I'm definitely gonna be buying her other colors pa pag nag-restock. Okay, last na from Shopee. In-order ko rin to. And I know what this is na rin. Kasi diba nag-notify sa Shopee pag nag-arrive na in order mo. So I got some baskets for my closet. Kasi I need baskets to organize some of my stuff. It's kind of like a fleece material. And then may parang pa-cross-cross lang siya dyan na stitch. Dalawang large, just isang small. My bad. This is the small pala. Tapos ito yung large. Yan. I'll just leave the link again down below in case you guys are interested. Kasi affordable lang ng mga to. Okay, so I'm done now with opening all the packages, guys. Look at my current situation. Sobrang messy na ng kwarto ko. Oh my gosh. Update you guys. So I'm done cleaning na my room. Yan, wala na yung gulo. So right now, we can finally try out this Eyelash Lifting Kit. Yan yung itsura niya. It's from the brand IBCCCNDC. Just leave the link down below. And mura lang to guys. I think it was like 200 pesos or 300 pesos at most. Okay, so this is how it looks like. There's 7 products. So there's sperm, fixation, nutrition, cleanse, false lashes glue, lift pads, and clean tool. Yung instructions yan nandito sa likod. Over there. So ayoko magmarunong. I just searched on YouTube na lang on a tutorial on how to do this. Shout out to this YouTuber who I'm watching. I'm just gonna follow her steps na lang. Okay, so kailangan ko pala ng cotton buds. Okay, yun yung kinulang ko. Hold on. Okay, so back with my cotton buds. I got 4, just to be sure. So first is to cleanse. I actually don't have any makeup on, but you know, let's do it. So I'm just gonna be dipping in my cotton buds and then just cleaning my eyelashes. Moving on, we're gonna be applying some false lashes glue to this parang lift pad and then put it here para ito yung base ata ng eyelashes mo mamaya. There. Also guys, please excuse my super ugly nails. Mamaya ko pa yan ayusin. It smells bad. On top of my eyelashes. That. Oh my gosh, I look so weird. What the heck? Okay. After putting some more glue, I'm gonna be using this clean tool to parang lift up my lashes para dumikit siya dito sa lifting pad. So I had to stop vlogging because I was trying to figure it out. But I was already able to kind of like lift my lashes. So nakadikit to siya sa lash glue. I mean sa lash lift pad. Yan, it looks like that. And then right now, I am going to be applying yung pang perm using another cotton bud. So, i-dip ko lang siya. Tapos, I'm just gonna be putting it sa eyelashes ko. Just like that. This feels so weird. And it doesn't smell good, ha? Pero tolerable naman. Kind of smells like a salon. Ito na yung plastic ko, guys. And you're just supposed to patong it on top. Just like that. You know what? I'm gonna do the other side and just get back to you guys later. I look so stupid. Hey guys, update. Di na ako makatingin straight sa camera, but this is how it looks like. Sobrang improvised ng plastic ko, but I just have to wait for like 8 to 12 minutes bago ko sila tatanggalin. Tapos lalagyan ng ulit ng this one naman, fixation yung next step. So, wait ko lang muna. Update, it's been 12 minutes for my right eye and I'm about to apply some fixation. So, color blue siya, guys. And hindi siya mahapde, but it smells so bad, ah. And medyo parang mahirap kasi as in parang nililift talaga yung eyes mo, which yun naman yung purpose nun. So anyways, I'm just gonna be applying it to my eyelashes. Okay, after fixation, I'm supposed to put another plastic on top. Tapos, wait for a few minutes ata. How long? Sabi niya, 8 to 12 minutes again. Okay, so I'm gonna take out na yung sa left ko. And I'm gonna be applying some fixation again. So, ito yung fixation. And then, papatungan ko lang siya ulit. Oops, my hair. But parang ang feel nung left side. Parang it doesn't look. Ewan, it's so weird. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my friend wants to video call. Frick, I look so weird. No. Yo. You guys, so this is how it looks like right now, and oh my gosh, I'm actually shocked it worked. Like, I didn't expect it because I wasn't like complete with all the materials, but may mga natira pa, so I could reuse it like the next time pag bumaba na siya. But so far it looks so good. Oh my gosh, so hopefully mag-last siya. I'll just update you guys. So yeah, it looks better na. Like, I don't even need to wear mascara or anything anymore kasi kung ganyan naman itsura niya, diba?